Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session. In this video, we'll explore Gemini, Google's powerful AI assistant. AI is evolving rapidly, and Google is leading the charge with something powerful, Gemini. But what exactly is Gemini and why is it making headlines in the world of artificial intelligence? Let's break it down. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you've subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Google Generative AI ecosystem is a vast and rapidly evolving landscape of AI models, tools, platforms, and services developed by Google to create, deploy, and integrate generative artificial intelligence across various domains such as text, image, video, audio, and code. It includes powerful models like Gemini, creative tools like Imagen and Veo, development platforms like Vertex AI and AI Studio and product integrations within Google Search, Workspace, Android, and Cloud. This ecosystem supports both consumers and enterprises in building intelligent, multimodal, and collaborative AI experience at scale. In this video, we'll focus to Gemini, Google's most advanced multimodal AI model, and begin our detailed discussion on what makes it a core part of this ecosystem. Over the past few years, the tech world has seen a boom in AI models, like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Microsoft's Copilot. But Google was never far behind. From BERT to Lambda to Palm, Google has been quietly building its AI capabilities. All that effort led to a major breakthrough, Gemini. Gemini is Google DeepMind's most advanced AI model. It's not just a chatbot, it's a multimodal, multi mission AI system, which means it can understand and work with not just text, but also images, audio, video, and even code. The journey of Gemini began with Bard, Google's original conversational AI chatbot, launched in early 2023 as a response to the rising popularity of generative AI tools like ChatGPT. Initially powered by Google's Lambda language model, BARD was designed to help users with writing, summarizing, coding, and answering questions through natural conversation. As Google AI research progressed, they developed more advanced models under the name Gemini, which were faster, more capable, and multimodal, meaning they could understand not just text but also images, audio, and code. In late 2023, Google began upgrading BARD with these new Gemini models. By early 2024, they officially rebranded Bard to Gemini to reflect this shift. Not just a name change, but a transformation into a much more powerful AI platform with broader capabilities and a clearer roadmap for integration across Google ecosystem. So, as Bard evolved into Gemini, it didn't just become more powerful, it also became more versatile. To cater to different user needs and devices, Google introduced multiple versions of Gemini, each optimized for specific use cases. Let's take a quick look at the key versions available today. First is the Gemini 1.5 Pro. This is the most advanced model available to the public and is part of Gemini Advanced, which requires a subscription to Google One AI Premium. It offers the highest level of reasoning, coding, and multimodal capabilities. Next we have is Gemini in Workspace. This version is integrated into Google's productivity tools like Gmail, Docs, and Sheets, helping users write, summarize, analyze data, and automate repetitive tasks within the apps they use every day. And finally, we have Gemini Nano. It's a lightweight version designed to run directly on mobile devices, especially Pixel phones. It enables features like on device smart replies and voice typing without sending data to the cloud. Accessing Gemini is simple and flexible. It's available across multiple platforms depending on how and where you want to use it. On the web, you can visit gemini.google.com to start chatting directly with Gemini in your browser. On Android devices, you can either download the Gemini app from the Play Store or enable it as your default assistant through your device settings. This lets you access Gemini using voice commands or gestures, replacing the traditional Google Assistant. If you're using iOS, Gemini is available inside the Google app. Just tap the Gemini icon to start interacting. And within Google Workspace apps like Gmail, Docs, and Sheets, Gemini is embedded as an AI assistant to help you write content, summarize information, analyze data, and more, making it incredibly useful in everyday workflows. Gemini brings together some of the most advanced AI capabilities available today. Let's take a quick look at the key features that make it powerful and versatile. First is coding assistance. Gemini is a valuable tool for developers. It can write, analyze, and debug code in multiple programming languages. Whether you're a beginner seeking help with syntax or a professional looking for optimized solutions, Gemini can act as your AI coding companion. Next, seamless integration with Google Workspace. One of Gemini's biggest advantage is its deep integration with tools like Docs, Gmail, Sheets, and Slides. With prompts like help me write or help me organize, it can draft emails, summarize content, generate reports, and even analyze data, all within your usual workflow. Next, long context window. Gemini 1.5 Pro supports up to 1 million tokens in a single interaction, far more than most AI models today. This allows it to process and remember large documents, entire books, or extended conversations without losing context. Next, multimodal capabilities. Gemini isn't just a text based chatbot, it's a multimodal model, which means it can understand and generate text, code, images, audio, and more, all in a single conversation. You can ask questions, upload an image for analysis, or request diagrams, and it will respond intelligently across formats. And finally, device integration with Gemini app. On Android smartphones, Gemini can replace Google Assistant entirely. This means you can ask questions, send messages, search the web, or even generate images using text, voice, or image prompts. It brings generative AI directly into your hands for both productivity and personal use. Gemini isn't just a powerful AI, it's incredibly practical. Here are some real world ways people are using it today. First is summarizing documents. You can just paste in long article, PDF, or report, and Gemini will generate concise summaries or bullet points for faster understanding. Next, drafting emails, essays, and reports. Whether you're a student, writer, or professional, Gemini helps you structure content quickly and clearly. Creating visuals from text prompts. Simply describe what you need, and Gemini can generate images or design ideas using AI. Next, for learning and tutoring. From solving math problems to explaining scientific concepts, Gemini acts like a knowledgeable tutor across subjects. And finally, writing and debugging code. Developers can use it to solve errors, generate functions, or even understand complex code logic. No matter the task, Gemini adapts to your needs, saving time, enhancing productivity, and supporting creativity. There are many other strong AI tools in the market today, like ChatGPT by OpenAI, Microsoft Copilot, and others. While they all bring unique capabilities, Gemini offers several key advantages, especially for users already integrated into Google's ecosystem. First is deep Google integration. Gemini works natively within Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Slides, allowing you to summarize emails, draft documents, generate tables, and automate tasks directly within the tools you use daily. Then, multimodal intelligence. Unlike some models that are mostly text based, Gemini is designed to be truly multimodal. It can process and generate text, code, images, audio, and video inputs. This makes it more flexible for creative, educational, and technical workflows. Next, on device AI, Gemini Nano. Gemini Nano runs locally on supported Android phones, such as Google Pixel, enabling private, real time AI tasks without needing to send data to the cloud, improving both speed and privacy. Next, superior context handling. Gemini 1.5 Pro can handle extremely long context windows, up to 1 million tokens, allowing it to analyze entire books, long documents, or large data sets in a single conversation. Next, unified across devices. Whether you're on the web, mobile, or using voice input, Gemini offers a consistent experience across platforms, unlike tools that are siloed by product. Next, Seamless Android integration. On Android, Gemini can replace Google Assistant, allowing you to use AI for both productivity and everyday voice based tasks, like controlling your phone, setting reminders, or generating content, all through a single interface. And finally, backed by Google AI infrastructure. Gemini is backed by Google DeepMind, one of the leading AI research teams globally. It benefits from Google's vast data, cloud infrastructure, and decades of innovation in AI, search, and machine learning. So while tools like ChatGPT and Copilot are excellent in their own right, Gemini combines the power of generative AI with the convenience of Google's ecosystem, strong multimodal capabilities, and on-device intelligence, making it a well-rounded choice for both everyday and advanced users. Now let's do a quick demo to see Gemini in action. So this is the homepage of Gemini. I'm going to upload an image of the AWS Shared Responsibility Model, which explains the division of security responsibilities between AWS and the customer. For uploading an image, I'm just simply going to click on the plus sign over here and click on Upload Files. And I'm going to upload my file and click on Open. Now I'm going to paste my prompt saying, can you describe this image in simple terms? And we're just going to wait for a few seconds. And there you have it. As you can see, Gemini analyzes the image and gives a clear explanation. It correctly identifies that AWS is responsible for the security of the cloud, things like hardware, software, networking, and facilities, while the customer is responsible for security in the cloud, such as data, configurations, and access controls. This makes Gemini especially useful for understanding complex diagrams or visual content without needing to interpret it manually. And that's how easily you can use Gemini to interpret technical visuals and diagrams in seconds. Now let's try a simple text prompt to show how Gemini responds instantly. I'll enter the following. Summarize the key benefits of using AWS Lambda in 3 bullet points and press enter. And there you have it. Within seconds, Gemini returns a clear, concise summary. Now for a final example, let's switch to a quick coding request. I'll just simply write a Python function that checks if a number is prime and press enter. And there you go. Gemini immediately generates the function and also explains how it works, step by step. So whether you're drafting summaries, brainstorming content, or writing code, Gemini delivers instant intelligent results based on your prompt. And that wraps up our overview of Gemini, Google's powerful and versatile AI assistant. Whether you're writing code, summarizing documents, creating visuals, or boosting productivity within Google Workspace, Gemini offers intelligent support at your fingertips. With its deep integration across devices, multimodal understanding, and strong context handling, Gemini is redefining how we interact with technology. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very valuable to us.